to Cooking Lessons with Abby and Charles. Where are you?
Hang on, I just got saved Princess Zelda.
Today we're making super easy marinara sauce. First we're going to add 2 cans of tomatoes. We are using garlic and olive oil, and they can either be diced or stewed. Next we have 1 can of tomato sauce. Here we have 2 cloves of garlic minced. Here we have 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt. Here we have 1 teaspoon of basil. This is 1 teaspoon of oregano. And then this is a half teaspoon of black pepper and 1 tiny pinch of red pepper flakes. Now we're going to stir. Once this is all mixed in, we can simmer it in the pot on the stove for 10 minutes. Simmering is when you almost let it boil, but it's not quite to a boil. First, we need to put a lid on it and bring it to the stove to simmer for 10 minutes. It is a good idea to occasionally stir. Okay, it is done simmering, so now we can take it off the stove. Now I need to blend it. I use an immersion blender, but if you don't have an immersion blender, you can use a regular blender. Just be careful because this is very hot. Blend until all the big lumps are gone. Once you're done, simmer again for 5 minutes. Now that it's done simmering, we can serve it into a little dish.
I'm here for the cooking show.
Charles, I just finished.
That smells yummy. You did a good job.
We
I thought we did it.
Now that it's done, let's taste it.
These are good. And a little bit hot. Can you cool that down or put an ice cube in it?
Thank you for watching the Abby
And Charles cooking show.
Bye!